In this video, I'm going to show you how to use the upload tool. You're going to want to start by going to the add button on the top of your Seesaw account. You're going to then select post student work. And in here you have the 6 features. You're going to use the upload tool in the lower left corner here. So with the upload tool, you can upload Google files, photos, anything off your computer, PDFs, images, pretty much anything. And you can upload it as a post. You can also use this in your activities. So if you have a template in your Google Drive, or you have an image you want to use in your template, you're going to want to use the upload feature. So I'm going to select the upload. It says in here you can add up to 10 images. You can add up to 1 PDF or 1 video. So I'm going to show you, let's say I go into my computer. I'm going to select off my computer and I'm going to get an image. So on this image, I have this image of the mitten. I could bring that in, click open, and it says I can add 9 more photos if I'd like to do that. I'm going to click the check mark. Gives me a preview here. I can use my tools if I wanted to mark it up at all with any kind of titles, or I wanted to record a voice on here, or I could bring in another picture or anything else I wanted to do to it. Otherwise, I'm going to click on the green check mark. I'll put it in sample student. Click the green check mark and it goes into my sample student. So they'll get this as a post. They could pull this up, and I'll show you this in a bit, and edit it. So I'll do another example where I go in, post student work. I'm going to go to upload. This time I'm going to bring something in from my Google Drive. Maybe I created it in Drawing, or I created it in Documents, and I want to bring that in and have them alter it or add to it. This is going to be a PDF. So I went out and got a math worksheet, basically, and put it in as a PDF. So I'm going to select that as a PDF, bring that in. So this is what it'll bring it in for them. If I wanted to add any directions on here, I could with the T tool. Down below here, these little quotations, that's the caption. I could write directions below it for them. I'm going to go back to that. I could also add a voice caption as well. And I have all my tools here as well. If I just put it as a plain worksheet like this and I click my check mark, put it into sample student, and then click my green check mark to submit it. This is what the student sees in their portfolio. Now they could, if it's not part of an activity and it's just a post like I just did it, then they could go down to the 3 dots and they could edit item. Now in their settings, you have to enable that they're able to edit items, which I'd highly recommend, so they can always go back in and edit their items and change things if they want. But it's a simple setting in their wrench. So I go edit item if I'm the student, and what then it pulls it up and they can draw on it. So they could put answers in here. Oh, a little off the lines here. Okay. And they could actually add that in, and then they could repost it by doing the check mark. And you would see it in there, and you can see there's my notation that I made on it. So upload is a great feature for uploading PDFs, images, documents, anything off your computer.